In this tutorial, I will show you custom shapes tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So I am in Adobe Photoshop and you can access custom shape tool from here. This is this stack, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, triangle, polygon, line tool, and this is custom shape tool. Also shortcut is U. So I am selecting it. You can see custom shape tool draws shapes from a custom shape list. So there is a list and it will pick up custom shapes from it. So first of all, I am going here. So this is first tool. This is template starburst color target. I am selecting this and draw and shape. You can see I can easily draw and shape here. You can see easily I can draw and custom shapes using this template starburst color target. Now I am selecting this shape stitch patchwork and I am drawing and shape. So I can able to create these shapes using the templates from here. Also, if I want to combine shape, I can combine shapes from here. I need to draw and shapes. You can see that here is the list. Here is the list of custom shapes. So I can pick anyone from here. Actually, I would like to pick it and I am clicking it. So you can see I am able to draw this shape. Actually, I need to draw this shape. I am going to custom shapes and selecting this, and after selecting this I need to select this one and draw any shapes here to also make the combined shape. Now it is combined. You can see now this shape combined and you can easily create very interesting design using these options. Also you can subtract from shape, intersect, exclude. All I have already discussed these options in previous videos. So I hope you sure will check this. And here is all the listed you find here. Also, if you want to create, I am picking curvature pen tool. I am clicking here, clicking here, clicking here, and see and I am drawing and shape. After that I need to select this. I can select this shape and right clicking here and define custom shape. So I am define custom shape. I would like to design shape. So I am okay here, and now I am deleting this shape. So now I am accessing this shape and you can see in the list you can find this shape here. So when I am clicking here I can easily draw this shape. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.